Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to convert things from GTA 5 to FiveM Ready, so you can put things into your FiveM server, like clothing. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, if you want to know how to make clothing first, there's this amazing server called Deluxe Designs. It's for Fortnite and FiveM stuff, so if you want to learn how to make Fortnite banners and stuff like that, it's a very nice team of people. It's a very big server too. And yeah, it's pretty good. It helped me start off. They have some models in here, so if you want to learn how to make the clothing itself, there's some custom models, like there's backward hats and Air Force Ones, and yeah, so, and there's some videos on how to make it and some free tools, so you know, the invite will be in the description. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to search up GTA Util, or go look in the description down below. You'll find this link. You're going to want to click on Fix for Unknown DLCs, aka DLC List Error. Click GTA Util.zip. Let's move this over to my workspace and save that right there. It's only 8 megabytes, so it won't be taking up that much of your PC space. You want to click on 7-zip, click extract here. You might want to move it, that was stupid. So make a folder and call it GTA Util. Put everything in there. And that's it for that. So now what you're going to want to do is, at the top here, you see you'll have an address bar. What you want to do is click on it, and then write CMD. And so you will have this command prompt. Now don't be scared. Some people, they're like, oh my god, I'm gonna get a virus, and this, and it's not. It's nothing. It's implemented with Windows, so don't be scared. So there'll be a command in the description that you're going to want to run. The first one in the description, it's going to be like this. It's right here. Or if you want, you can find it yourself on his GitHub. So what you want to do is copy it from the description or from here. And we're going to paste it into here. Now, you can't just Control V or right click paste. All you have to do is just right click and it should paste it in there for you. If it asks for GTA 5 folder, what you're going to want to do is open your Steam. Wait for that to open. To verify it. Oh, it has another update. Okay, I'll be back when it's an update. Alright, so what you're going to want to do after you open up Steam, you click on Library, click on Grand Theft Auto 5, click Settings, click Manage, and then Browse Local Files. And then you'll have the address bar up here. What you're going to want to do is copy everything in there by right click copy or Control C. And go right here and just right click and press Enter. Should see loading cache, loading DLC list. Shouldn't take too long. Sometimes it doesn't work. I've had that happen a lot of times, and I have to go down to an older version. If that happens, why is my mic so loud? If that happens, yeah, just go down to an older version of GTA Util, or just try again. So we'll wait while this gets done. Please work. Alright, I'll be back when it's done. Oh, never mind. So if it says that, it means it works. It worked. It's just loading in all the DLCs. So after that's done, you double click on pedproject, and you'll have all of these things to So you have NPF remote 1 and NPM. The F is for female clothing and the M is for male clothing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go on GTA 5 mods and we'll look for nice clothing. So let's do this one. Actually, let's do a shirt. Where is shirt? Sort by clothing. Alright, this looks nice. So you would click on download. Click download. And save that. And you're going to right click on it, click 7-zip, extract to MP mail. Double click on this. I want to move this over to the workspace and delete that. Double click on this. Double click on, let me close that. Files. You'll have all of these different files. Now this doesn't have a YDD file, so for that it's going to be much harder to put it in. But let's go find something else. If you guys want a tutorial on how to put in just textures without the YDD, then I can do that a different day. But today I'm just trying to get this tutorial done. So I'm going to be back when I'm done with everything. You know what, I just realized that you guys are mostly going to encounter this anyways. So I'm just going to show you guys how to find the clothing that goes with here. They're the texture file. So if you go to the README, you'll find this. And so if you go down to the description, there'll be a link for a program called OpenIV. So you're going to want to open it. You're going to click Windows. It's going to ask you for your GTA path, like I said before, or like I showed you guys. Go to Steam and you can find it through that. So you have to wait for this to start. So you want to go to this directory, except remove the mods. So like pretend that mods isn't there. So we're going to go to update. DLC packs, which is an update.ipf. Or never mind. It's an x64. Click on DLC packs. Click on MP Vinewood or find MP Vinewood. So right there. Double click on DLC.rpf. x64. Models, CD images. MP Vinewood mail.rpf. And then look for that. And then so now what you're going to want to do is go to the files, and you see this is jpeddefs 017. So look for jped number 17. It's right there. Copy it, paste it, or just drag it. And there you go. So now you have the YDD file with all the YTD files. So if I click on it, it should be working, or you should be able to see the texture. So let's see this. Yeah, so sometimes it doesn't work in OpenIV, but it will work in game. So now you just want to get all of these files. You want to copy them. Go to GTA Util, go to pedproject, MP mail components, and if it's called jped, like how it is right here, you're gonna want to go to jped, paste everything in there, make a new folder, and call this folder 0. Now, and then you call the YDD 0 to match the folder called 0. So if you have more than one YDD file, you'll call that YDD file 1 and then make a new folder called 1. So since you only have one, we'll move this to hold on one second. Alright, so sorry about that. So what you're gonna want to do, so if there's one YDD file, like I said, name that 0 and name this 0, and drag all of these YTDs into that 0 folder. Now it doesn't matter what order you name them, so we'll call this one 0, call this one 1. You have to start it with 0 and then keep going until you rename all of them to a number. Alright, that's it for adding in a piece of male clothes. Now let me go find female clothing. I really do not know. Okay, let's do this. You want to click download. No, that's gonna get me demonetized. Might want to blur that out. Extract to. Click on the MP female clothing. So this one is has a YDD and a YTD file. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here, MP female streamload one, components, and then look for JBib. Match that up. Drag these in here. Rename this 0, and rename that 0, and then drag these in here. And then 0, 1, 2. Just like that. And then, so I'm gonna do it twice so I can show you guys how to do it twice. So now let's say you have 2 JBibs. So you paste that in here. Name this JBib file 1. This is the same for male too. Name that JBib file 1. Make this folder 1. And I always get confused with this since like even I'm a bit experienced and still get confused. You don't call this 1. You don't start off with 1. You still start with 0. So just like that. And yeah, so that's it for that. Now that's the wrong command prompt. You wanna click on GTA Util again. Write CMD at the top. Look for the second command in the bottom, which is this one, in the description, which is that one, and paste that right in there. Click enter. This one shouldn't take as much time as making the pedproject file. Should be a little bit less. By the way, you can't rename this or else it's not going to work. So if you renamed it and it's not working, just put it back to what it's originally called. And now you have a folder called build. And then this is how it's supposed to be. You have all your clothing in here, all renamed the correct way. And you'll have a resource.lua, which is empty, and you'll have 2 JSON files. Now you can rename this, so we're going to call this test clothing pack. And now all you'd have to do is put it in your server. So let me go over to where is it? Okay, so Util, localhost, tx data, that, and you just so we drag this in here. I can't really test it right now since this already has teenage clothing in it. But I can show you guys how to set up a localhost to test your clothing in. Go to server.cfg, scroll down until you find, like, you can put it really anywhere, and then start, and then it should be named test or whatever you really named it. So since this is called test clothing pack, we'll do that. Save it, and then restart your server, and your clothing will be in. So yeah, if you have any problems, just go ahead and make a comment, or you can go ahead and join the Discord server and ask people for help. I'll put the Discord server up on screen again. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want me to make other videos like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe so you get notified. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.